Hello viewers! In this video, we'll fix a common problem where your internet is connected but no websites open in your browser. Let's get started. Click the Windows 11 icon, search for Control Panel and open it. Change the View By option to Large Icons. Then change View By to Category. Click View Network Status and Tasks. Next, click Change Adapter Settings on the top left side. Find your Wi-Fi adapter and remember its name, for example, Intel Dual Band Wireless AC. Now go back to the Windows desktop and right-click this PC. Click Show More Options, then select Manage. Open Device Manager. Find Network Adapters and expand the list. Locate the same Wi-Fi adapter name that you remembered earlier. Right-click it and select Uninstall Device. A warning message will appear. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Now click the Scan for Hardware Changes icon at the top. Windows will automatically reinstall your Wi-Fi adapter driver and it will appear again under Network Adapters. Next, open the Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to your wireless network. After that, restart your Windows computer. Your problem should now be resolved. Thanks for watching.